Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Now, this circle geometry problem says that we should find all the angles of quadrilateral ABCD below. So this is quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to find all these four angles, complete angles. Now, for us to do that, let's apply the theorem that says that angles in the same segment are equal. Now, if you look at these points D and C, you will see that this line goes to the circumference of the circle. These two lines from D to this point A, from C to this point A, these two lines make angle 30 degrees. Similarly, originating from the same 2 points D and C, we have these two lines from D going to B and this line from C going to B. So because these two angles here have their point from the same point, which is from the same chord DC, and they go to the circumference of the circle, this one forms angle 30 here. This will also form angle 30 here. And that theorem says that angle in the same segment are equal. So these two angles are in the same segment. You can see they're originating from the same point D and C. These two lines goes to A, and these two lines again from the same point D and C go to B. So these two angles will be equal. That is how to identify angles in the same segment. Now, if you also look at this 40 degree, we have these points B and C. Now, these 2 points B and C. So from B it comes to this point, and from C it comes to this point. So these two lines form angle 40 degree. Similarly, from the same B and C, we have these two lines going to point A now. The same two lines from B and C now. Sorry, different two lines now, but from the same point B and C to form another angle here at the circumference. So those two angles will be also angle in the same segment. So this will be 40 degrees because it is in the same segment with this as well, because they are coming from, the pairs of lines are coming from the same point B and C. Now, let's look at this 45 and this 95 degrees. Now, this is a triangle here. So this triangle now has this external angle 95 degree. When you have a line from a triangle that extends outward, that line forms an angle with one of the other line of the triangle. So this becomes an exterior angle of the triangle. So because this triangle extends outward to form this exterior angle, we say that the exterior excuse me, we say that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So this 95 degree should be equal to 40 degree added to this angle here. So you agree with me that if this is 95, to get this other angle, because 40 plus this angle to give us 95, to get this angle we have to say 95 minus 40 degrees. And that will give us this angle as 55 degrees. So this angle is 55 degrees. So now you also agree with me that using points A and D, we have these two lines coming to form 55 degrees here from A and D. Similarly, from the same point A and D, we have these two lines coming to form another angle here. So this 55 degree will also be equal to this angle 55 degree because they are angled in the same segment. 55 and 55 because they are coming from the same point A and D. You can see the lines. You can also see the lines. So now, finally, let's look at how to get this angle. Now, this is a triangle, 95 degree, 30 degree, and this angle. Sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180. So 95 plus 30 degree is 125. When we subtract 125 from 180, it will give us this point as 55. So sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So 180 minus the sum of these two, which is 125. 180 minus 125 will give us 55, which is this last angle. Excuse me. Now, the last one here that we also need to get here is this angle here. Now, if this is 40, sorry, if this is 50, if this is 55 now, that we just got now, this is 55. Using point A and D, you can see them forming angle 55 here. Point A and D, 55 here. Similarly, from the same point A and B, from the same point A and B, we have this angle going to form this part. So this 55 degree will also be equal to this angle because they are angled in the same segment. So this will also be 55 degrees. So from there, we can now conclude that angle A in the quadrilateral, don't forget we have to find all the angles of the quadrilateral ABCD. So angle A will be 30 plus 40. That is 30 plus 40 will give us angle A as 70 degrees. Now angle B will be equal to 55 plus 30. So angle B is 55 plus 30 degrees, and that will give us 85 degrees. Now angle C of the quadrilateral is 55 plus 55, and that will give us 110. So 55 plus 55 degree, and that is 110 degrees. Finally, angle D of the quadrilateral will give us 40 plus 55. 40 plus 55, and that will give us 95 degrees. Now, to be sure that your values are correct, if you add all these numbers, you are going to get 360 because sum of angle in a quadrilateral add up to 360. So adding all these angles will give us 360, and that shows that we are correct. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get more videos from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.